Hello guys, welcome back to VFix Technology. Hope all of you are doing great. Today we're going to see how we can implement GST into our Bagisto. Let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, the dashboard of Bagisto, in order to create text classes, we may want to go to settings. Then there's an option of taxes right here, right? There you're going to have to add the tax rates. First, if you see my computer screen, I have added 4 rates: GST 5% and GST 18%, plus CGST and SGST for state specific, if you know what I mean. So I was seeing the situation in Bagisto, it was not taking 2 rates. 9% CGST, 9% SGST, they were not getting merged. It was just taking one class in one go. So I made some arrangement and I guess it works, right? Technically, it's just a breakup. This is how it shows. Let's take an instance. Let me show you first what I did. First, I went ahead and created a class, tax rate. I'm going to edit it. If you see the name, just name, nothing else. CGST plus SGST, right? I chose the country India and I am from Delhi, so I chose Delhi. So wherever you are from, the home state, make sure CGST and SGST gonna apply there. Make sure that. Then put the text 18%. I'm gonna save it, right? Then in second case, we're gonna apply IGST. Let me tell you how it works. Now let's check how to set up IGST, right? If you see that computer screen, I wrote IGST 18 just for my understanding. I'm gonna click on right here, and if you see that this time instead of CGST plus IGST, I gave the name IGST 18 for my reference. Country gonna be India, and state do not choose anything. This is how it gonna work. So for Delhi, it's gonna automatically apply CGST plus IGST. For other states other than Delhi, it's gonna choose IGST. Though tax percent is still same, 18%, but it just show the breakup, you know what I mean? I'm gonna save it. In the similar way, I created 2 more instances, CGST plus IGST for 5%, if you see that, and IGST for 5%. Makes sense? So the chapter 1 is done. We did create the tax rates. Now let's move to the chapter number 2. We're going to have to go to the tax categories. And here you can see I have 2 categories, GST 5% and 18%, right? Let me click on edit and show you what it has. The code 5, just the reference name, the name, description could be anything, whatever you want. And you choose both the classes, CGST plus IGST, right? It's going to shuffle accordingly as per the state, if you know what I mean. Then click on save. In the similar way, you're going to have to choose GST 18 class. We're going to choose CGST plus IGST 18. You see that? So you're going to have to make sure which one you are choosing. That's why I wrote 18 or 5, right? Now, the magic happens. All you're supposed to do, you're going to have to go to the products. If you see that, I'm going to edit one of the product on my store. And if you can see text category, I have 2 names, GST 5, GST 18, right? I'm going to choose 18 or 5, whatever you want. It's already been selected. I'm not going to change it. Let me refresh. And let's show on the real time how it works. So let me come to the store. I'm going to choose a product. Let me choose this product. I'm going to click on buy now, right? So let me put some dummy details. So if I choose Delhi, let's take the instance. This is my home state. Keep in mind, supposed to have CGST plus IGST, and the pin code could be anything. It does not validate that. Phone number, anything, right? As soon I am gonna hit proceed, it runs the function. You see that? All right, perfect. Now, if you see that I have Delhi and it shows CGST plus IGST 5%, right? Let's shuffle the states. If I choose any state other than Delhi, let's see what happens. Go to the tax and IGST, right? Technically, tax is same, but it's just for the appearance, if you know what I mean. So this is how you can set up the GST into your Bagisto store. If you need any help, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like that. Bye for now.